When your Ottawa roof is nearing the end of its days, you might see several signs pointing you toward a roof replacement. By knowing the signs, you can prepare yourself and get professionals on your side to ensure your house is not further damaged. One of the most prominent signs that your roof needs replacing in the Greater Ottawa area is seeing leaks within your home. Often, once you see leaks in your home, the roof has probably been damaged for quite some time. If you have seen mold, mildew, or algae growth on the roof, it could signal a moisture issue within your roofing system, something that will require roof replacement to correct. Other signs pointing to your roof needing a future replacement are missing, curled, or bulging shingles. Anytime your shingles no longer look flat or even the same color as they once were, it could signal that they are past the point of being highly effective. If you feel like your Ottawa roof needs replacing, don't wait to contact us at Firon Roofing. Waiting is only going to lead to more damage. Call us for a free estimate at 613-821-6222.